Greetings one all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. Let's jump right into this week's channel shout out. Alright. Get to this week's channel shout out. A little pre-mix. Get to make sure I'm get the views coming up. Come on. There we go. You know what? I haven't seen this. Let me draw another one. I haven't seen any videos from him at all, so sort of one of those. Oh, interesting. So it's Alexis Outdoors, but she changed her name, her channel name, to it's like Careena something. Wow, it's awkward. I don't remember. It's like Careena Outdoors. Canadian lady, really nice, really good videos too. In fact, one morning I actually watched one of her videos and I actually got a little inspired to go out and get up off my ass and go out and get some woods time in. So good stuff. I actually didn't think I had her name in here, but glad I did. Great channel, highly recommended. Well, there we go. Another great channel. I'm more than happy to do these channel shout outs every week for my brothers and sisters and channels that I watch. So all the information will be down in the description. Hopefully they work. If they don't, hopefully the end cards will work. You know, the video's usually short enough to do so. I don't know why that happens, but what are you gonna do? Anyway, there's that, and I also want to tip my hat to our fine servicemen and women out there, from our recruits clear to our veterans. Let's not forget, also 22 a day, 22 of our veterans take their lives. Should be 0. And I'd also like to extend my appreciation to our first responders saving lives out there every day. Without you, many would be in a world of hurt. So again, I do thank you for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.